Welcome back to our online class. Today is 22nd April 2021. How are you all? We'll start the unit not for breathing, not for drinking. Last lesson we have finished 8th lesson. This is 7th lesson. Read this lesson thoroughly, understand it properly. These are the lessons which are coming in essay 2. Okay? Learn properly. The question answers are there. Leave off classwork books, all the answers. Read properly. Now what happened in your opinion? Pollution, you know, bikes and all pollution check it takes place, isn't it? Pollution free bike, pollution free car, pollution certificate will be there. With a rapid increase in the number of vehicles, the problem of automobile pollution has assumed greater significance, since the emission of smoke from motor vehicles is a major source of air pollution. Specific standards for the permissible limits for such emission have been prescribed in the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and Central Motor Vehicle Rules in 1989. All vehicles which are in operation for more than a year should undergo emission test every 6 months. Bikes should go every 6 months and they should have check about the pollution to obtain the certification of pollution under control. What is the meaning of pollution? The word pollution might not be new for us. Our elders talk about the blue sky, clean water, isn't it? And fresh air that was available in their times. Now it is there, it is not there. It is polluted air, polluted water we get. What is environmental pollution, children? The environment is made up of systems, cycles and specialized relationships between living and non-living elements. When everything is working the way it should be, all the living organisms within the environment, including humans, are healthy and thriving. Okay, what will happen if harmful organisms or substances enter your body? How do you feel, children? In the same way, if something harmful is introduced to the environmental cycle in the air, in the environment, in our nature, or a part of cycle is disrupted, it can cause chain reaction of problems right from the rest of the system. These changes can really hurt the health and well-being of living organisms. One of these negative changes is called pollution, which is a result of unnatural elements entering the environment. We regularly report on the falling quality of the environment. We ourselves feel the impact of air and water pollution in our lives. Number of people suffering from diseases of respiratory system, for example lung cancer, asthma, is steadily rising. If we do not control the pollution, clean air and water may no longer be available. You have learned about the importance of air and water in your earlier lesson. Now we will study about the harmful changes that takes place in our surroundings and their effects on our lives. Humans are usually at fault in this regard. Anything that is harmful to environment is pollution. Litter, car exhaust, motor oil, used tires, smoke, chemicals, disposed computer, mobile phones, etc. All of these can be an instant or gradual impact on our earth, on our health. What is air pollution, children? You know that air is a mixture of gases. List out the gases that you know present in the air. What are the 4 major gases? Air in the atmosphere comprises of 4 major gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Other substances are present in very little amount, hence they collectively called the trace elements. Let us observe the composition of air in the atmosphere in the form of a diagram, this circle. Maximum is the nitrogen, then is the oxygen, carbon dioxide and inert gases are very little, mainly argon. Water vapor is negligible. Water atmosphere consists of 21% of oxygen, which is essential element for survival of all living things, living organisms. Also, it is equally important for the process of combustion. Burning, combustion means. We already read in the physics lesson combustion, flame and fuels. Carbon dioxide, which is 0.033%, is essential for the process of photosynthesis in the plants. Now see the tabular column, children. Nitrogen, oxygen. Nitrogen form symbol is N2, oxygen O2, argon Ar. Maximum is nitrogen 78.084%. Oxygen 20%, right? Argon 0.9%. Carbon dioxide 0.033. Water vapor 1%. Other traces 0.1. Other activities we see in the crisscross the globe, picking up pollutants and carrying them all over the world. This is how areas far away from where the actual pollution is created can be affected too. Air pollution is not just a local concern. Second activity, oil paper experiment. Take 3 square pieces of white paper of 5 into 5 centimeter size dipped in oil. Hang this oil dipped paper at 3 different locations. Say in one in your backyard, one in your school, one near your park or parking, etc. Let it be there for 30 minutes. What will happen? You see it that to the paper dipped in oil. Do you find any difference in 3 different locations? Try to find out the answer why this difference occurred. Due to temperature, sunlight and all. Isn't it? Natural activities, volcanic eruption. Forest fires releases carbon particles, ash into the air and pollute the air. Volcanic eruption releases various gases and ash into the atmosphere. Decay of organic matter releases ammonia gas into the air. Decay of organic matter lying under the water releases methane gas as air pollution. The pollen grains released by plants remain floating in the air and pollute it. What are the human activities? Try to find out the answers, how it occurs. What is pollutant, children? As we have discussed above, air pollutants arise from man-made and natural processes, but the effect of air pollution caused mainly by human activities. Pollutants are also defined as primary pollutants resulting from combustion of fuels and industrial operations, and secondary pollutants, those which are produced due to reaction of primary pollutants in the atmosphere. The pollen grains released by plant remain floating in the air and pollute it. What are the human activities which cause pollution? See the diagram: burning fuel from the cars. Fuels pollute the air, producing pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, smoke, soot, and ash. Name the fuels we burn in our daily activities in both rural vehicles. Exhaust gases emitted by motor vehicles pollute air by producing the harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Unburned hydrocarbon leads to compounds and soot. In industries, what happened? Various industries like granite, lime, cement, etc. pollute air by releasing the pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, got it, chlorine, fly ash, dust, asbestos dust, etc. Then the cement factories in Mela, Cheruvu, Matampalli of Nalgonda district, what they are doing, you see, the chimneys and all are releasing the smoke. Vikharabad, the granite industries are most polluted areas because granite powder, cement dust, limestone dust is released into the air causing pollution. Thermal power plants in Ramagundam of Palwancha of Khammam districts are releasing the pollutants like fly ash. See the pictures, children. Sulfur dioxide and radioactive substances causing the air, water and land pollution. People are suffering from lung cancer and skin allergies due to this pollution. People living near the granite areas have faced several health problems like respiratory bronchitis and asthma. Thermal power plants pollute air by emitting sulfur dioxide. Districts are releasing the pollutants. People are suffering from lung cancer, skin allergies due to this pollution. People living near the granite factory have faced several problems. Nuclear power plants, what are these? The two problems of nuclear power are radioactive waste and possibility of meltdown like Chernobyl. The waste is dangerous because it can cause cancer and other health problems. The radioactive waste possesses radioactivity for at least 1 million years. The other problems are meltdowns. Meltdowns are provoked by too much heat in the power plant. During a meltdown, the power plant makes more radioactive pollution. The Chernobyl incident, due to chemical blast, some incident happened. What is that? The biggest meltdown of nuclear power reactor in the world was Chernobyl in Russia in 1986. After the melt of Chernobyl, there was a fire and formation of radioactive cloud. The cloud was made of radioactive chemicals. Those chemicals cause the cancer of thyroid gland in the neck and sensitive to radiations. 5 million Russians got cancer and death, 100 died at the same time. About 1,025,000 kilometers square of fields were unstable because of the radioactive clouds. The forest area was damaged by radioactive clouds. Understood? Now write the questions properly, learn them and send it as homework. Essay 2 exams are coming. First one, how does air pollution lead to water pollution? What steps can be taken up to control air pollution and water pollution? Why does the increased levels of nutrients in the water affect the survival of aquatic organisms? Roadside plants cannot grow properly. Find your reasons and explain with your arguments. Sudhir is a traffic constable. What do you think about his health? Give some suggestions to protect his health during duty period. Write a short note on the effects of water pollution in your village and suggest few precautions. Okay children, got it? Thank you. Send me the homeworks by evening 6 o'clock. Assalamu alaikum.